Jimbo, this one's for you. I just wanted to show you a little video of taking this oil pump apart. So this one here is the one that goes around and pumps. So as this rolls around, I'll show you what it does. If you pull this out, there's a O-ring right there that seals it. It just pushes in, and these threads right here, they catch on splines on the inside there. I don't know if you can see that. So these threads catch on that, and when they catch on that, it rotates this, which rotates this shaft that goes across here. Once that cam rotates, it creates the pumping action, which you open and close, or loosen and tighten, or increase or decrease by this cam that goes through here. It also has an O-ring, a seal right there, but it just simply goes in there like this, and there's a notch inside there, a groove underneath of that, that catches as you rotate this back and forth to open and close the amount of, I guess, fluid you're pumping. You've got your inlet here. And your output there. I don't know. You know more about that than I do, Jim. So that's how it comes apart and goes back together. And I freed this one up inside of here. Just take this back out. Inside of there was seized. When I would rotate this, nothing would happen. Now, not sure if you can see in there. But it rotates now. It's rotating freely. So, that's how it comes apart without taking a mini grinder to it, Jim. Goes back together a little harder. There we go. It's all back together. Loosen this off. So, that's how it goes back together. I'm going to bring this one out. I think we got this one working now, Jim. Still have one more here that I haven't messed with yet, but this one looks like it's seized as well. Just a matter of completely disassembling it, cleaning it all up, lubricating everything, softening up those gaskets. Should be good.